students, now come to the board. As per the chapter HCP, hexagonal close packing, it is very important. Student, this I am drawing the hexagonal. Now here one more. Now we'll try to join this all unit cell with one another. So here you are able to see the hexagonal close packing. In that hexagonal close packing, how many number of unit cell is seen on the upper layer and on the bottom layer? So here we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 points you are able to see on the upper layer. The same way hexagonal नाम दिया है means hexa means 6. So here we are with the 6 unit cell. So total number of unit cell, here you can say that they are the 6 upper layer and 6 downward layer. So total 12. This 12 is divided by 1 by 6. How it is divided into 1 by 6? Just yesterday we have studied about the total 8 corners, and in 8 corners 1 unit cell is divided into 1 by 8 part. So here how it is divided into 1 by 6 part, that I am trying to explain you. Now this is the 1 unit cell as we are talking about. In that, this angle, the angle which is seen by you, or we can say that the part which is covered, this part which is covered, that much part is 1/3 part of the whole unit cell. So that's why this angle is 120 degree. Total unit cell is, this is our total unit cell, and out of that total unit cell जो part ये क्यूबिक के अंदर, ये हेक्सागोनल के अंदर आया हुआ है, that is only 1/3. So total degree of this sphere is 360. So here it is a 120 angle. So the remaining is 120 and the remaining is 120. So the facing side is with the 1/3 and backward side, because here we are imaging the 3D figure. So the facing side is 120 degree, 120 degree and 120 degree. So this is 1/3, 1/3 plus 1/3, and the same way the backward side is also 120 plus 120 plus 120. So that's why here I have written that the 12 number of unit cell are divided into 1 by 6. So that is the plus exactly 2 number. अब इसके बाद में हम बात करते हैं, here the 3 unit cell are separately sandwiched between the 2 layer. 3 unit cell are sandwiched between the 2 layer, जिसको हमने body center, suppose we have studied in that body center, as you know, the 8 are on the corner and 1 is exactly on the center. That is why that is known as the body center. So here in this, The 6 are on the top layer, 6 are on the bottom layer, and the 3 units are exactly on the center, which forms the sandwich of that. So here this 3 ओनली ये सेंटर में है, इसीलिए वो किसी के साथ में शेयरिंग में नहीं है. जैसे बॉडी सेंटर के लिए भी वी हैव टेकन ओनली वन एज ए बॉडी सेंटर. सो 8 प्लस 8 इंटू 1/8 प्लस 1 हमने बॉडी सेंटर के लिए किया था. याद होगा स्टूडेंट्स तुम्हें बीसीसी के लिए हमने जब किया था तो 8 इंटू 1/8 that are corner and plus 1 which is there in the body. So here the number of atom we consider as a 2. The same way here this sandwich it is 3 into 1 only. Why? Because it is not at all share with any of the other face. So here it is number of atom are 3. Now remaining 2 atoms, they are present on the opposite phases. They are ऑपोजिट फेजिस में. जैसे हमने एंड सेंटर में पढ़ा था या तो फेस सेंटर में पढ़ा था. फेस सेंटर में वी नो दैट ऑल द फेजिस आर विद द 1/2 1/2, while in the end center we have studied, in the end center we studied only opposite faces. So 8 into 1/8 and then we have studied only the opposite faces. So there we have studied only about the opposite faces. तो वहां पर हमारे पास में एक ऊपर के फेस में था, एक नीचे के फेस में था. तो 2 into 1/2 हमने पढ़ा था, वो एंड सेंटर के लिए था. और फेस सेंटर के लिए हमने जो पढ़ा था उसमें 8 into 1/8 और प्लस हमारे 6 फेजेस थे और वो 6 फेजेस में 1/2 किया था हमने. 6 into 1/2. So the same way here only the opposite phases is there. So total number of unit cell it is 2 and which is shared with the 1/2 like this or like this. Correct? Here also these are in the phase. So we have given with the 1/2. So here 1/2 means here it is a 1. So the total number of atom, the total atom for HCP hexagonal close packing is 6. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6. The total number of packing that is the hexagonal close packing के लिए यहाँ पर जो हमें देखना है that are the, as we can consider at it is a coordination number also. Coordination number. Also now we have to study about that coordination number, that is what hexagonal close packing के लिए, octahedral close packing के लिए. इसका फटाफट स्टूडेंट स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो क्योंकि लिखने बैठोगे तो आपको टाइम लगेगा. फास्टली. As we know, this is the regular arrangement. Unit cell are arranged in a proper manner, but they are in the sphere shape. So the sphere shape के अंदर वो एक दूसरे के पास में कितने भी रहते हैं पर उनकी एजेस जो है वो एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करती है. और हम कितनी भी कोशिश करें पर कहीं ना कहीं जगह छूट जाती है. अगर हम स्फीयर लेटाइस पॉइंट के बदले में वो स्फीयर को ऐसा इमेजिन करते कि वो क्यूब होता या क्यूबॉइड होता, ऐसा कुछ होता, या तो ट्रायंगल होता, ऐसा कोई शेप होता तो मान सकते थे कि एजिस उसकी मिलके यहाँ पर कोई भी वॉइड हमें डेवलप नहीं होता है. सो मीन्स नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वॉइड मीन्स ड्यू टू द regular arrangement of the lattice point they are very closer to each other, but then also some of the voids or some of the space between them is created and that is known as the void. So now that I will show you the types of void. Write down the definition. See students, here I have drawn the two different way of the lattice point. This one, as we know, they are in the plane or the space. Then also here, this much space is remaining. Here also this much space is remaining. So that is known as void. Same way here you can see this space, that is known as void. So these are the rigid structure, or solid are rigid, but arrangement is developed in such a manner the void is created. So they are the void now. अब यहाँ पर हमने जितने टाइप के सॉलिड्स स्ट्रक्चर पढ़े हैं, क्यूबॉइडिकल, ऑक्टाहेड्रल, टेट्राहेड्रल, ट्रायंगुलर, उसके बारे में भी हमें साथ में वॉइड किससे डेवलप होता है, दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी. द फर्स्ट टाइम राइटिंग दैट इज द क्यूबॉइडिकल वॉइड. फर्स्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग अबाउट द क्यूबिकल वॉइड. अब वो क्यूबिकल वॉइड है क्या? Here you can see I have drawn the 4 points. They are little farther than one another. Like not this, they are adjacent, but they are little farther. There is some space between them. So now, to covering this space, I am trying to make one sphere or one point on that. अभी आपको clear, you are able to see. So sphere are in the same plane. Understand that the sphere are in the same plane, but one more point I am trying to cover, that the void which is created, that I am trying to cover. So आपको उसी तरह से that sphere are having the total arrangement. लिखा रही हूँ students, just write down. Sphere are in same plane but little far. So one more sphere can organize on the top also and at bottom also. One more sphere can organize on the top also and at the bottom also. So these 4 are able to see the same way. Another 4 are at the back side. So total how many number of sphere are there? So the total 8 sphere और 8 lattice point अरेंज हुए हैं. 4 आगे की साइड में है, 4 पीछे की साइड में है, उसमें एक ऊपर है और एक नीचे है. उस तरह से आपने उसको अरेंज किया है. तो कितने एक दूसरे से ज्वाइंट हुए हैं? तो ये 4 उसके साथ में दूसरे 4 के साथ में अटैच हुए हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो वॉइड डेवलप होगा वो वॉइड ये कहा जाएगा. So here this total 8 are there, so that is known as coordination number. So for simple cubical void, the coordination number is 2. Now what is the meaning of coordination number? Coordination number means any of the unit is attached with how many different units. In morning we have considered that for the BCC or for any of the primitive cell अगर हम लेते हैं तो primitive के लिए भी 8 corners are there. So that 8 corners out of 1 is attached with other 8. So here also that is the coordination number. क्यों? क्योंकि एक यूनिट सेल है वो बाकी के कितने के साथ में अटैच है. So they are attached with the other 8. So that's why the cubical void is having the coordination number 8. उसके बाद में वो किस में प्रेजेंट है, दैट यू राइट डाउन. Generally, it is present in BCC. Cubical void is present in BCC. इसके बाद में सेकेंड में जाते हैं, जिसको हम कहते हैं ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स. ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड. ऑक्टाहेड्रल वैसे देखा जाए स्टूडेंट्स तो ऑक्टा का मतलब है यहाँ पर 8, पर यहाँ उसको देखना है कि कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 8 आता है कि नहीं. सो ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड, दैट हाउ इट डेवलप्स. सो ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड इज डेवलप इन 2 वे. Here I have drawn the 4 unit cell. They are just closely near to each other. उसके ऊपर 1 unit cell in the front and another is at the back. So I have tried to cover this void which is developed by the 4 unit cell which are closely packed. The same way I have tried to cover this void from the bottom side also. So now you understand 4 are in a way, and that void which is developed, that I have tried to cover from the top 1 sphere and from the bottom also 1 sphere. So total now how many sphere can you imagine? 6. Very good. So here for this octahedral void, coordination number is equal to 6. This you have to keep in your mind. Generally, if any of the MCQ ask what is the coordination number of octahedral void, so generally we will think octa means 8, and we are directly writing the octahedral void is having the 8 coordination number. But this you have to keep in your mind, 8, but the coordination number is 6. Now in this coordination number, generally we can see in the FCC and HCP. Octahedral void is found in face center and hexagonal close packing, FCC and HCP. Cubical I said about the PCC. So these 2 void we have completed. Now it's time for the tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स वो कैसे डेवलप होता है? Here we took the 4 sphere are nearer to each other. In the tetrahedral void is only having the one void which is covered only. I have covered from the top side, that is the tetrahedral void arrangement. So 3 और उसके ऊपर से एक को कवर किया. So यहाँ पर the coordination number is 4 because 3 are there, and try to cover this void. I have arranged one sphere on the top. The void which I have drawn over here, that is actually the octahedral void. As I said, the octahedral void can develop in the 2 different ways. So that I forgot to show you here. So now we'll come back again to the octahedral void, which is the another way to develop the octahedral way. That octahedral void just now I am showing you here. This is the one sphere, another sphere, and third sphere. Now try to cover these 3 spaces. 1, sphere, another sphere, and another sphere. So 3 sphere are at the bottom, and try to cover this void of the 3 sphere which is developed. Another 3 units are kept, and this way that sphere is made up of. So this is the way the octahedral void is developed. So you can understand that here also the coordination number is 6, but the arrangement can be different and develop that octahedral void. ये जो यहाँ पर develop हुआ है, that is known as the octahedral void, which can be seen over here also. So coordination number of octahedral void, either it is developed by the 4 sphere adjacent or by 3 sphere adjacent, but the coordination number is 6. And for the tetrahedral void, only the 3 sphere, and we try to cover this space by organizing 1 sphere on the top. That is the tetrahedral void, and coordination number is 4 for the tetrahedral void. Now last one is triangular void. Now triangular void जो है वो किस तरह से डेवलप हो रहा है? तो triangular void जो है उसमें 3 unit cell are closer to one another. 3 unit cell are closer to one another. So here the coordination number is equal to, what is the coordination number, student? How many number of lattice are joined with one another or attached with one another? 3. So coordination number of triangular void is 3. Just draw the figure of this void and write down the coordination number, and in which they are able to see BCC, FCC or HCP, that you write down, because it is very important part for your competitive exams. Write down fastly, student. Radius of the cubical void, octahedral void, कंपैरिजन हम कर रहे हैं टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड, एंड लास्टली ट्रायंगुलर वॉइड. रेडियस कौन से बेसिस पे हम क्लासिफाई करेंगे? या तो ये जो मैंने लिखा, वॉट एवर आई हैव रिटन, द क्यूबिकल वॉइड radius is greater than the octahedral is greater than the tetrahedral, and tetrahedral void radius is greater than the triangular. So on the basis of coordination number, I have mentioned over here the cubical void, octahedral void greater than tetrahedral, than triangular. So this can be question also asked.